Hi guys, this is what people love to eat. Beans, squash, and coconut milk, and you add pork. This is what Filipino loves to eat. Bok choy or spinach if you like to put bok choy spinach. So guys, you're gonna love this. Then we eat with rice. This is very healthy. Yummy, yummy. Try to cook this one in your house. Filipino special delicacy. Green bean soup. Bye for now.